Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can comment on a post on Facebook Lite. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Facebook Lite app in your device. Then find the post on which you want to comment. Next, tap on comment icon. After that, tap on write a comment, then write comment. Next, you can see the option of send button. Tap on it. So, this is how you can comment on a post on Facebook Lite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.